Hey, this is David Bradley here, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone. I'm here with your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip is going to tell you exactly what you need to do to have competence and confidence in sales. You ready? Train and role play daily. Listen, if you get paid commission, or if you sell something and then you get money as a result of it, that means by definition, you are a professional. And let me tell you something about professionals. Professionals train and they role play and they practice and they drill and rehearse. And if it's worth doing once, as Grant says, it is worth doing every single day. And just because you read a book on sales does not mean you're trained. Read a book on boxing, does that mean you can fight? No, just because you read a book on sales does not mean you are trained. That means in order for you to be trained, that means you need to practice. That's you in front of a mirror. That's you on your phone into the recorder, okay? That's you get in front of somebody else and working it out. Do not practice on customers. Practice on your coworkers. So, what's the message? If you want to be competent and confident as a sales professional, you got to train and you got to role play on the daily. This has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. By the way, is there a pitcher in any league from little to the majors that's not warming his arm up before taking the mound? Right? Practice, drill, rehearse, do it on the daily. Okay, so for more information about our brand new coaching program, which can help you with that, shoot an email out, david@grantcardone.com, or give us a call, 310-777-0352. That's david@grantcardone.com or 310-777-0352. And be great, because nothing else pays.